In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MyFitnessPal with friends. This will help you not only track your food, but also share your progress with friends. Let's get started. First, open the MyFitnessPal app on your device. You will see the home screen, which offers various options for tracking your meals and activities. This is where your journey begins. By opening the app, you are preparing to utilize its full potential for connecting with friends. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, as this will help you sync your data easily. Next, tap the More menu icon, which looks like three dots in the bottom right corner of your screen. This icon leads you to additional options within the app. The More menu is essential because it centralizes all the features that are not directly visible on the home screen. Once you tap it, you will see a list of options to enhance your experience. Now tap Add Food. This action is fundamental as it allows you to input your meals and snacks into the app. You'll notice a prompt for adding various food items, which is a key feature of MyFitnessPal. By logging your food, you can better track your caloric intake and nutritional goals. This is where the journey of sharing your food choices with friends begins. From there, select Friends from the settings list. This section is where you can manage your social connections within the app. By navigating to Friends, you prepare to invite others to join you on your health journey. This step is crucial for building a supportive community around your goals. You'll see a list of your current friends and options to add more. Next, tap the plus sign or Add Friends icon in the top right corner. This is your gateway to expanding your network within MyFitnessPal. You will see different options for inviting friends, which makes it easy to include those who motivate you. This is a quick step that opens up new opportunities for accountability and support. Now choose how you want to invite them, contacts or email. This flexibility allows you to reach out to friends in the way that suits you best. Whether you prefer using your phone's contact list or sending an email, both options are straightforward. With this choice, you can connect with friends who share similar health and fitness goals. After you make your selection, click Send. This action sends out your invitations. You'll see a confirmation that your invites are on their way. This is an exciting step as it means you're one step closer to sharing your journey. Don't worry if you don't hear back immediately. People will respond when they can. Next, navigate back to the More menu tab. This brings you back to the main settings area of the app. It's important to frequently return to this menu as it houses many useful features. You will now continue configuring your privacy settings to enhance your sharing experience. Select Settings and then tap Privacy Center or Sharing and Privacy. This section is vital for controlling who sees your information. By adjusting these settings, you ensure that your data is shared in a way that feels comfortable for you. This helps keep your account secure while allowing friends to see your progress. After that, tap on Diary Sharing. This is where you can manage how much of your food log others can see. Choosing the right sharing option is essential for maintaining your privacy while fostering accountability with friends. This step is about creating a balance between sharing and privacy. Now choose your preferred access level. You have three options: private, friends only, or locked with a key. Each choice provides a different level of visibility for your food log. Selecting the right option is important because it allows you to control your journey while inviting friends to support you. Remember, your comfort level should guide your decision. Once you are connected and your diaries are mutually shared, you can interact directly within the application interfaces. This feature enhances the community aspect of MyFitnessPal, making it easier to share tips and encouragement. It's great to have friends who can motivate you. Click More again. This will take you back to the main menu to access your friends list easily. You want to ensure you can keep up with your friends' progress as well. Staying connected is key to maintaining motivation. Next, click Friends. This option allows you to view all the friends you've connected with on the platform. You can see their updates and how they are progressing on their own health journeys. Engaging with friends can make your experience more enjoyable and fulfilling. Select a friend from your list. This action takes you to their profile, where you can see their recent activities and updates. This is an excellent opportunity to encourage each other and share insights. Remember, each interaction can help strengthen your commitment to your goals. Click on their diary. This step enables you to view their logged meals and activities. Observing their choices can provide inspiration for your meal planning. Sharing insights can lead to better strategies for both of you. Finally, click Copy Meal or Save Meal. This feature allows you to easily replicate their successful meals in your own diary. It saves time and helps you discover new food options. This last step makes sharing truly effective as you can learn from each other's successes. By following these steps, you can successfully use MyFitnessPal with friends. Enjoy the journey together.